Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you. You don't have to change.
Kanta lang po kayo.
Just the way you are. Just wanna be shared. Help you see where to. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change me for you. All I know right now, I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, it never lasts more than you know. Nothing's gonna change me for you. All I know right now, I love you. I will hold up to you. It's gonna change my life. Love for you. I know right now, I love you. One thing I can't be sure of, never lasts more than you know. Nothing's gonna change me.
Thank you so much, boss.
Parang ganun wala yung ma-realize.
Yung dalawang bossing natin sa likod, nahihiyang kumanta. Paikot yan eh. 2 persons per table. And syempre, babatiin ko lang yung may birthday, ha? Dito sa ating alam table ngayon. Kasi Madam Rosel, happy birthday po. Sige ba, hindi ka na to, boss? Ayun. Nasaan na siya? Papuntayin mo lang po dito, kuya. Let's go.
Walang mga gabi na
Tayo-tayo lang naman.
alam sa magaman yun. Hindi, alam din.
Let's go. Ayaw, parang for boss.
Hindi, kaya pag-usapan tips natin.
Hindi, gusto ko pag-usapan. Wala kami nakakasama. Yung term niya talaga eh. I-use na lang.
Kuya, okay na, hindi ka na.
Sa ating mga nasa FB Live, standby lang.
Ako gusto mo. Guys, gusto mo pa ako mag-ito. Oo naman. Easy to easy.
Ano, tikpan, ito mo tikpan. Talaga todohin mo yan, sadistahin mo.
Huwag na tikman.
Pasakin mo. Pasakin. Sorry.
Ganyan din yung reaction mo dati niya. Alam mo ba? Noong una, sabi ko, ang dumalit dito. Sabi ko,
Bakit ba nag-start na yan? Alam mo mag-alin?
Nakita mo yung ano ko.
yung effort niya ba?
Sabi niya sa akin nila.
Ganda po ulit ka mamaya.
Sabi niya, bakit ito? Pinakita ko, hindi ako binak eh. Pinakita ko, hindi ako binak. Hindi ako pinakita kay Rito.
Pinakita
Ba't sa akin hindi pinakita?
Alam mo, pinakita na dito.
Sa akin hindi.
Sabi ko sa kanya,
From a simple guy, so in the way. and that's to show that he was alone. Take you where you go. If you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, well, the world seems so unfair. You can count on me to stay. Just take some time to let them hear this ordinary song.
Hindi wala akong deodorant sa kaligid sa mula.
Akala ko madamit eh.
Yes, an ordinary song. A special girl like you,
Alam mo, nag-ahali ka
from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even hold those looks to make you glance my way. The clothes I wore, they just seem so absurd. Deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All the seas may see you through. Still I've been waiting here for you. If you have time, please let an ear to this ordinary song. Yes, an ordinary song. With special girl like you.
Ay,
I'm a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Wala naman kasama. Pwede mo ba subukan? Pero hindi na pwede kayo. Tsaka gentleman. Ang gentleman niya. Kahit di gentleman, wala nang problema. Di gentleman. Wag mo nang isipin niyo sa akin. Kasi matagal na kami. Wala na. Kuya, hindi ka. Mabasugin mo na natawa. Amaya na.
Hindi ka, bakit hindi si Minang kausapin mo na po kasi? Bakit ako? Ha?
Isa ba ibugaw mo to? Ibugaw ko sa iba. Kaya
Ako kapatid.
nagbibusiness naman kami kuya. Pero ito ko lang magkatrabaho. Nagtrabaho.
It wasn't really sad the way they say it.
Mahaba ko sa asay.
Or maybe it's just
Baka po may
hers
request kayong kanta sa akin.
Hinahanap ka lang si tatay.
She fucking screams, walk out the door and drove away.
Wala yung sendo. Wala yung
And she became the girl from yesterday. He took a plane across the sea to some point that